Right, we're just coming into BP Masterton, and I want to show you what it's like to go to the car wash here. You come round this corner and then round another corner, and your eye goes to that, doesn't it? And there's no sign that says anything. It's called soft care, and you don't see that, which talks about no rear, what does it say? Use at own risk, no rear spoilers, but you don't see that, you just see that. So that is why I went in to the soft care and it ripped off my spoiler, because I didn't see that. I saw that. That's where you see signs on other car washes. So I had no reason to suspect that the soft care was going to be the most brutal car wash I'd ever seen. So that's the context for my post.